Hey guys, here goes my usage review of my new motovlogging camera, the DJI Action 4. Previously I was using the GoPro, and because of many reasons now I'm switching to the Action 4. Basically the Action 4 is a 1x1.3 inch sensor camera which has stunning performance both in low light and well lit conditions with clean footages and less noise. Also it has a built-in color temperature sensor which captures the real life color images. We can shoot 10-bit and D-Log M format which helps in post-processing with 4K 120fps frame rates, that too at a field of view of 155 degrees. So these are the technical details. Now let me explain why I have updated my camera to the DJI Action 4. This camera can shoot from -20° to 45° Celsius without any hanging issues. And I've tried testing it in all possible ways and the test came positive. Unlike my GoPro which decided to get me off when I was in Spiti Valley when I had a beautiful sunrise at -10° Celsius. Then I thought my GoPro just hated cold weather, but eventually it gave up at hot summers in Pune also, giving me 2 bulge batteries. And this camera comes with 3 batteries in a multifunctional case which acts like a power bank powering the shoot for humongous time, while the 2 batteries getting charged when my videos are powered by the third one. Even though this has a 90% larger sensor size, this weighs much lighter than many other action cameras in the market, and this makes easy to mount the camera on the helmet for a longer time. And with the magnetic mount setup and the camera case, it's so easy to switch from my YouTube landscape setup to the Instagram portrait setup under 3 seconds. Nobody does it better.
Say I'm shooting in the landscape mode and I want to switch it to portrait mode. It's much simple on this camera. Take it off. Put it in.
The 10-bit D-Log M format helps to capture the moments without worrying the usual parameters for the shooting. For a beginner, you can keep the camera in auto mode and have stunning video quality. For someone like me who wants to capture every bit of beauty in my own way, the manual mode gives all adjustments to capture stunning looking motorcycles. Also, if you have a little more budget, you can have ND filters from DJI, which really helps in manual mode shooting. Also, the low light performance is much better than the GoPro with less grains. And when it comes to the audio, my GoPro setup has been stable for years, and that was one strong point I was sticking to GoPros. But the huge audio adapter or the media mod added additional weight to the helmet, which was always a downside. In the DJI Action 4, we have 2 options, either to use a wire mic or a wireless mic. The wire mic is a simple setup and it requires a small audio adapter, which I highly recommend to buy from the DJI website or authorized sellers, unlike me who wasted money on adapters which I bought from Amazon.
Alright, so this is my own Ducati Desert Sled and I'm testing the audio quality of the DJI Action 4. One reason is that it feels so comfortable that right out of the box I feel so comfortable to use this, because the entire camera plus the adapter setup is not as heavy as the GoPro. So I really don't feel that this camera is there on the helmet. It feels a little more lighter than the GoPro. So the DJI Action 4 has a very good amount of noise cancellation if you are setting the right gain.
The second option helps me to record the audio perfectly. The direct Bluetooth connection to the DJI Mic 2, which gives extremely high audio quality while the mic sits inside my helmet perfectly. Adjust your audio gains and you are set for your use. The main advantage now is that now I can keep the camera anywhere to record and continue speaking while my audio is getting recorded. Forget the wired mic world. Wireless world is much convenient.
Alright, so this is the best part of the camera. So now I'm using the Bluetooth mic and I can be as far as I can from the camera. It's almost like a professional camera setup from an action camera. And the best part of using this DJI Action 4 is that I can see the audio levels over there, the audio gains. So I can manually set the audio gain depending on my ambient noise, or I'm using the voicer, so the complete control is manual now.
Also, the DJI has a remote controller which helps to mount the camera anywhere and start recording when you are ready. Unlike the start and run to the position, this camera is remote control and the remote controller is in the form of a watch.
Generally what we do is click on it, then comes back, set, action. But with the DJI Action 4, I have the Bluetooth remote controller over here. So just one click, action.
By now the DJI Action 4 has been upgraded to my primary action camera for all my review shoots, for the major reason that it can record high quality video and audio with all adjustments I want as an automotive reviewer. If you are looking for an adventurous camera for your motorcycle adventures or any other adventures, consider checking the DJI Action 4. This is closing the gap with the professional cameras.